Okay, it's not really finished, but it's finished for now. I need to get some more ribbon because I really liked the way she had eyelets on the side and had big ribbon on, and I wanted this color ribbon, but this is not quite fat enough, and I can't find my eyelets. So that will have to wait until later. This is the cover. I'm not sure what I'm going to use this album for, but at some point I'll add a title, probably down here. And this is popped up so that I can put a picture in here or whatever. These are basic gray buttons that I found in my stash that go perfectly with this paper. And that one in the middle is, I left raised up. All the others that are in here, I cut the backs off with this nifty little tool, but I've got the Tim Holtz scissors now, so I could use those, but I already had those, so that's okay. Anyway, inside, here's the waterfall. I just put a little medallion and some flowers with the buttons glue dotted on. I cut the backs off, so they're flat backs. And I didn't decorate the pages at all because I plan on just putting pictures in them, and perhaps I'll decorate then. So this is all it is, just the paper. And I didn't have enough left of the front cover paper or the inside cover paper, either one, to do a strip for every one of these. So I just mixed it up with the same ones that are in here. So they each have a representation of the three papers I used in the waterfall. And that's that. And then in my tag pocket, okay, there's nothing on these at this point. I will, when I decide what I'm going to use the album for, I'll decide what I'm going to use these for. If I'm going to use them for pictures or journaling, a couple of them I'll probably, like this one, I took strips, some of the scraps that were strips, and I made paper with them. But these, I'm really picturing these with like a stamped image or a sentiment, and probably this one, but I don't know. And here's another one I did. And the rest of them are just, they're all pretty plain. And then I had some of these journal papers, and I went ahead and decided I'd include those in there in case I want to have some extra room to write. And then the closure, I think I started to tell you, I don't think I finished. What my thought is to use some embroidery floss. I'm not sure how I'm going to attach it to the back. I'm thinking, this is adhesive, I'm thinking maybe just cutting a strand, taking it around, and I may use ribbon, I don't know yet. But what I'm thinking is whatever I decide to tie it closed with, I will glue down with something strong like glossy accents, and then glue this or something similar over the top of it. It's chipboard, so it's a little, I don't know. So those are the things that are not finished, that they're going to take some time. I really need to find some new supplies to finish that. But anyway, then I'll bring the ribbon up around and tie it around this button that's still got the back on it. And I sewed that onto the frame and glued it in with glossy accents. It's kind of loose, so I don't know. But, that's all I've come up with so far. I don't want to do anything to the spine because I think when I put the ribbon on, it'll be dressed up enough. And I'm probably not going to do anything to the back. So that's it. Thank you.